In this video, I'm going to show you how you can care for your very long 30-inch bust down wigs. I know this type of wigs are really difficult to manage because, of course, brushing long hairs are a little bit more difficult, unlike when you're dealing with shorter length of hairs. So this particular wig right here came with some bald spots and very tangled on the back. So what I did first was just to detangle it, starting from the bottom part, that's the tip of the hair, and I worked my way upward just to completely detangle the entire hair. And when I was done with detangling the entire hair, what I did next was to also detangle the hair at that back side because it was really messy. Then after detangling the hair, what I'm going to do next is to start washing the hair. So I'm going to put the hair into my washing hand basin and pour water on it. You can see now the hair is completely detangled. I'm going to pour water on it and then use my shampoo to wash it. The shampoo I'm going to use is going to be from Tresemme. This one right here, which is the Revitalized Color Shampoo. I'm going to pour a very generous quantity all over the hair and start massaging it all through. Yes, massage it all over. I can even add more water just to enable the wig lather a bit, but I'm just trying to spread that product all over the wig. And this particular wig right here is very dirty, so I'm gonna pour water on it after we are done massaging the product all over. But you can see that the foam coming out of the wig is it's brownish, meaning the wig is really dirty. So I just kept on massaging the product all over just so that it goes all around, and I just sort of squeezed it out. Then next, what I'm going to do is to, of course, add water to it just to rinse out the dirt that are trapped in this wig, because of course one of the reasons why your wig starts to get too tangled is probably because of too much dirt trapped in the wig and a lot of product build up, dust, sweat, all those junk that are trapped in your hair. So it's really important that you wash the hair and you get it to be completely clean. This is the first wash, and you can see that the water that's coming out from the first wash is still dirty. So of course I most definitely have to wash it the second time. I have to go back in with the shampoo and wash it again. But by just rinsing it again, I'm noticing that the water coming out is a lot cleaner than what it was before, but I'm going to have to wash this hair again. So I reapplied more of the same shampoo that I used earlier, and I'm trying to massage that product all over the entire hair just to ensure that it lathers and it takes in the shampoo and takes out all the dirt that are trapped in the strands of the hair. Wash until I'm pleased with how clean the hair looks. So guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't purchased my ebooks, hair extensions and how to test its quality and how to start your hair business ebook, please check the link in the description box. You would be able to purchase these books on my website, and it's also available on Amazon. That's the paperback copy for how to start your hair business book. Yes, so now what I'm doing is just to rinse off the hair, and right about now I think I'm pleased with how the hair is. It's a lot cleaner than how it was before, and I'm going to continue rinsing it off until I'm sure that the water coming out of the hair is clean. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is to condition the hair using this Tresemme 24 hours volume conditioner. I just applied a generous quantity all over the hair on the up part, and I'm going to go back in and apply a lot more of that same conditioner. Yeah, I'm just going to apply all over and then use my fingers to just massage the product all over on the tip of the hair, from the top all the way to the tip of the hair. Next, I'm going to apply this keratin argan oil treatment. It's going to help hydrate the hair and just get the hair to be very silk and smooth. So I'm going to take a generous amount and apply it all over this hair. Very generous, because I want the hair to really take in that keratin so that the hair is smooth, soft, silk, and just very beautiful, and it moves freely. It's not as prone to tangling as how the wig was again. So that's the reason I'm applying a lot of that keratin treatment all over the hair. And after I'm done applying that keratin treatment all over the hair, and I'm sure that the product has gone all over all the parts of the wig, what I'm going to do next is to apply the castor oil, because castor oil is going to help me straighten the strands of this hair. So I'm going to put castor oil all over the hair. Just put like 2 covers of the castor oil, because long hair you'll be dealing with a lot more hair than usual. So I'm gonna put more of that castor oil and then heat up the hair in a microwave for about 3 minutes, and then brush through the hair and rinse it off completely. And after rinsing it off, you're going to notice that the color coming out of the hair might just be a bit off because of the color of the keratin treatment that was used. So I'm just going to rinse it thoroughly until I'm pleased with the hair. And yeah, so this is what it looks like after washing it and conditioning it. So I air dried the hair, and now it's time to straighten it. So I sectioned off the upper part of the hair, and for the lower part of the hair, what I'm going to do now is to apply my Moroccan argan root oil. I put it on my palm and just apply it on that small section of hair. Then next, I'm going to take my heat protectant spray, this argan oil protein magic complex heat protectant spray from Defuli. I don't even know, that company name is just very weird. I need to learn how to pronounce it. Then next, I'm using my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair in really small sections. And after working on one side of the hair, I move over to the other side of the hair, and I straighten it from the upper part all the way to the tip of the hair. And I keep on going back to add thick from the areas that I haven't straightened. I clip away the up part, and I go back in and reapply my Moroccan argan oil serum, spray the heat protectant spray, and then proceed to actually straightening the hair. So watch and see me do it. If you're watching it, if you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, sis, bro, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button right below, and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads from me, you don't miss future videos from me. And if you want to see some videos, if there are videos that you feel like I should make that you want to see on this channel, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to film the tutorial for you as soon as I possibly can. So you can see how I'm taking my time to straighten this hair, and I'm obviously working in very small sections just to ensure that I get the hair to be really straight. I'm going to keep on doing this until I have completely straightened the entire hair. Yes. So guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't yet done that. Straightening this hair is a very repetitive process. The key thing is just use your product, which is your Moroccan argan oil serum, your heat protectant spray, your flat iron, that, and I'm using this one from Cloud9, and of course a rat tail comb that you can use to comb through the hair. You can also use the section of some parts of the hair you want to work on, and just go through the process of styling this hair, taking your time to do it the best that you can. So as I kept on straightening the hair and I get to the upper part of the hair, I also repeat the same process of just taking my time to really straighten the hair to get it to be as sleek and straight as it possibly can be. And when I'm done straightening that section of the hair, I'm going to just go in and start working on the hair on the other parts of the wig. That's on the other side of the wig, of course, and then style the hair on the closure area, just to get it to lay flat by just applying my hair wax. I also sprayed my heat protectant spray, but I didn't show that part on camera. So I'm using that coiling one to flatten the hair around the closure area while I just comb through it to ensure the hair is going in a good direction. And this is the finished look of the wig. You can remember what we started with, and this is what we have right now. Whew, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. This hair looks as good as new, and I also reventilated that front part that was bald. You remember, this is what we started with, and this is what we are ending with. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, love.